Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan 370Z rear bumper. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Safely lift the rear of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. Then, remove both rear wheels to gain full access to the fender liner area. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient removal process. Next, carefully remove the plastic clips and screws holding the fender liners in place, allowing them to be pulled back. Inside each wheel well, you will find two 10mm bolts that need to be unscrewed. These bolts are crucial for detaching the bumper from the side body. Additionally, look underneath the vehicle and remove the four 10mm bolts situated along the bottom edge of the rear bumper. This frees the lower section. Now, open your trunk and locate the two 10mm nuts holding each taillight assembly. Carefully unscrew these nuts. Once the nuts are removed, gently pull the taillights straight out from the vehicle. Remember to disconnect the electrical connectors from the back of each taillight before setting them aside. Finally, remove the four plastic clips positioned along the top edge of the bumper, just under the trunk lid. This releases the upper section. With all fasteners and clips removed, the bumper is now ready for detachment. Starting from one side, gently but firmly pull the bumper outwards to release any remaining hidden clips. Work your way around the bumper, ensuring all clips are free. It is helpful to have a second person assist you in guiding the bumper off the vehicle. Once completely detached, carefully place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to prevent any scratches or damage. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.